Stakeholder theory of entrepreneurship. The failure of incumbent firm managers to achieve the ideals of stakeholder management, balancing stakeholder interest, creates opportunities for entrepreneurial ventures to flourish. Whenever imbalances occur, entrepreneurial opportunities are born as entrepreneurs discover how, by serving a different mix of these underserved stakeholders, a new firm can thrive by redistributing value and taking a percentage. Uber's recent case in Austin is interesting because they left rather than increasing their cost structure, fingerprinting drivers, and risk setting a precedent for other jurisdictions. But weeks after they left, a flurry of nonprofit ride apps took over the market Uber left behind. The drivers and riders of Uber were willing to try alternatives rather than revert to taxis. Incumbents that do not effectively balance stakeholder interest have lower firm performance and are leaving value on the table for competitors and new entrants to exploit. That value is discoverable, recoverable by individuals and teams that study their environments and analyze incumbent stakeholder management practices, whether tacitly or explicitly. Opportunities created by imbalanced stakeholder management, that is, the gaps between actual stakeholder interest balancing and ideal balancing, can be thought of as stakeholder arbitrage opportunities. Industries with firms that are good at balancing stakeholder interest leave little on the table for entrepreneurs, while those that fail to balance stakeholder interest help create a bounty of stakeholder arbitrage opportunities for new firms. Even if incumbents strike the right balance among competing stakeholder claims, it may be difficult or, at times, impossible to reconcile their divergent interests. This implies that there will be room for several firms with different stakeholder salience configurations. Since many incumbents are pressured to induce focus on a single objective function, such as maximizing profits using the old ways, most corporations leave many imbalances for entrepreneurs to pick through. In fact, many of the best startups are spin-outs started by former incumbent employees that disagreed with their employers or saw more value in pursuing the stakeholder arbitrage opportunity outside the parent firm.